if you're looking to stop recurring charges on Wise, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps to manage your subscriptions effectively. Follow these steps to ensure you no longer incur unwanted charges. Step 1. Log into your Wise account. Visit the Wise website or open the Wise app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account where the recurring charges are set up. Step 2. Navigate to the Payments section. Once logged in, locate the Payments or Activity section in your account dashboard. This area will show you all your recent transactions, including any recurring payments. Step 3. Identify recurring payments. Scroll through your payment history to find any recurring payments or subscriptions. Look for entries that indicate they are set to repeat, such as monthly or yearly charges. Step 4. Manage your subscriptions. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the shrc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Check for confirmation. After canceling the subscription, check for a confirmation message or email from Wise. This will ensure that the recurring charge has been successfully stopped and you will not be billed again. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and stop any unwanted recurring charges on your Wise account. Always keep track of your subscriptions to avoid unexpected payments in the future.